Hello everyone, welcome to Concept Cracker. Today we are going to crack the concept called collocation. Dear friends, you may be either a student or a teacher or interested in learning new things. This video is for you. Here we are going to give you new knowledge. Those who are new to my channel, if you like my videos and want to watch more these type of videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. And feel free to comment about my videos. Now, without wasting time, let us start. Collocations. When two or more words join to form a new word which has its own meaning is called collocation. Combination of collocations. There are so many types of collocations. Let us see. First one is noun plus noun. For example, egg is also noun, rice is also noun. So egg rice is a form of one type of collocation. The same lemon rice. And the second form is noun plus verb. For example, make, efforts. Efforts is a verb, make is a noun. Next one, noun plus adjectives. Live music, strong coffee. Fourth one, compound words. Newspaper, high school. Now let us see some of the collocations which will be there for your exams. Armchair, lifetime, airplane, long run, afternoon, lifeline, anyone, lifelong, backward, long chart. Backbone, lighthouse, blackbird, loud voice, blood bank, make business, blood group, money order, beautiful girl, moonlight, bedroom, mouth watering, butterflies, meet requirements, buttermilk, make arrangements, boiled egg, make money, bookmark, make gestures, bookworm, modern science, broad-hearted, noble thoughts, board bus, noble leaders, bright boy, nuclear bomb, breakdown, pay attention, breakfast, popcorn, brisk walk, police constable, bypass, post box, commit crime, pondered future, commit mistake, photo studio, chain smoker, quick temper, combat violence, quick cure, catch cold, rosy lips, caught and bowled, rise doubts. Dimple cheek, rise money, developed nation, renovated house, dutiful husband, railway station, deadline, rainbow, ragged gloves, draw laughter, save time, draw parallel, shake hands, do homework, sunflower, earthquake, self-discipline, eyeballs, something, eyesight, save electricity, freedom fighter, supermarket, fast train, superstar, fast run, superpower, fast food, superman, football, sincere officer, friendship, sweet moment, face challenge, sweet dreams, face to face, steel railing, friend bencher, small boy, firework, speed recovery, generate power, textbook, grandmother, toothpaste, grandfather, table salt, Get married, take chance. Get lost, timetable. Get up, take action. Get ready, take down. Handkerchief, take care. Handbag, underground. Heavy drunker, up to date. Hard worker, unexpected turn. Household, wall clock. Homemade, wheelchair. Handsome boy, young man. Honeymoon, honey cake, keep quiet, keep silence, keyboard, key answer, ladies compartment, lay emphasize, leave letter, love letter, long chat. Now let us see the types of questions which you may face in your exams. Model questions. Combine the word in column A with its collocative word in column B. Lay. Attention, emphasize, notice, order. The answer is lay attention. The another type of question is which word in the bracket does not collocate with the word commit. Commit suicide is correct. Commit crime is correct. Commit success is not a correct word. Commit mistake is also correct. So which does not collocate the word is success. That's all for today. Let us meet with another new topic.